Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's April 1st, 2025, and it's around 9 a.m. Just got all the animals' waters topped off. It is a dark day. It is cold. I think it says 41 degrees. Anyway, I've been damp for the last couple days. It makes it cold. Bill is taking care of her babies now, which is good. Sure helps things. She's a pretty good mama. I sold my tumbleweed on eBay for $500. I'm gonna take it to the UPS store and ship it to Seattle today.